I'm going to show you how to type an N with a tilde on your Mac keyboard. So to do this, you first want to hold down Command, Shift and the space bar, and this will bring up the character viewer. Once it's up, you want to press this little box here next to the search bar. Now you want to search out for N with, and this should bring up the N with a tilde. All you need to do here is find the one you want in the bottom right, double click it, and it'll be added to your Word document. As you can see, you can have it capitalized or small caps. So the second way to do this, is to press Options and N, then press N, and then this will give you a small n with a tilde. If you press Caps Lock and then N, this will give you a large N with a tilde. So that's two different ways how to type an N with a tilde on the Mac keyboard. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.